अल्लाह पकड़ो।
हाँ
लोगों को दिखाने का हम चश्मा लगाया बोल गए.
This is the terminal. Here is the holes. You can see the holes. Here it is coming. This one is the next one. This is, you see, this one is the next one that is coming. It will fit in the holes. You have to rotate, match. This one is now it is fit like this. So after that coming this one is coming here like this. You have to fix like this here this one you have to fix like this. So after that coming one bush inside here coming the bush inside, here it is like this, then here coming the bush inside like this. So this is coming the rod coming from here. So after that putting this one here and tightening the bolt, so it will lock, the washer will lock first tight, then it will lock. So this is the one easy, very easy. From here it will be like this, it will coming like this out, sprouting out. So this is going inside like this through this hole, it is coming like this coming like this out. This one is that one first this one fixing from here. If you rotate like this one, it will match here, fix this one. Yeah. Then coming the small rubber bush inside here. So this is the way you have to assemble this one. Yeah, after that coming here this one nut, putting the nut, putting this one here, then putting the nut and tightening that like this. So it will be pressing and holding that one very tight with this one. After completing this one, you will come to know how it is fixed like this. This one inside here. After that coming is this one here. So the rod coming out, you fix it in the tight, then it will lock. This will expand and it will hold the without any gap. The rubber will press and expand. Then it will arrest the leak. So this way the terminal is fixed. Okay, see, watch my videos. Please subscribe, like and subscribe and share to your friends. Thank you.
Subscribe.
This is our technician as a director. He is the director. So he will direct the work. So he is sincerely doing the work, making preparation for fixing the compressor. Another one is also very sincere in cleaning that one. So for making the welding and removing things. He is also one good worker. Yeah, he prays to God now. Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Bye.